Hi everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here to wrap up the day. So right now we have traded as low as 4,400 half. We're trading about 44.04. It's about 7 minutes before the close. I'm doing this a little early because I got to take off. We talked about a 39 to 45 zone this morning, and we talked about no trade zones in our middle of the day video, just to give you an idea of how we use no trade zones to sit out the stuff we don't want to trade and then be in the stuff that we do want to trade. So how did it pan out? 45 was resistance right off of the top of the Fed minutes, and you really got to get into the 5-minute chart. So we had mapped out a no trade zone from this move to 45 in the morning. This is the box that I did from the midday webcast, and I can just go ahead and extrapolate that out for the rest of the day. So there it is, right? It lived below here, so we tried some shorts. Didn't really do much. Made a little bit. Nothing huge. We were long for the move up to 45. It stalled here, came back in, did a nice little move down to 20, and the bears gave it back up to where? The 9-day and the bottom of this zone, which took us back into the the 30s and 20s, and we didn't short it up here. We ended up shorting at 28, but now we're trading 44.03, so ask us if we care. But the nice part is it keeps you out of the chop. It keeps you on the right side of things. It keeps you from chasing longs to the upside. And then when it seals off, it lets you know, this is where you need to be. So as we head into tonight, look, we talked this morning on the webcast. We told the bears, take out the lows from yesterday and then close below the daily mid band. So here's the hourly. This is chart we looked at this morning. Lows from yesterday, they took them out. Close below the daily mid band, which is the green line here. That's what they've done. They need to hold serve overnight. And what I mean by that is you need to stay below the daily mid band throughout Globex. You need to keep it sealed off. And if you can do that and you can spend the day below the daily midband, then what have you done? One of the baseline assumptions we make is then you have turned a buy dips market that has been buy dips for, I don't know, ever, basically since a couple little head fakes here back, May the 20th, little head fake, June 21st, little head fake, July 20th. So just about and tomorrow's the 19th. Every 30 days we get one of these little head fakes. Seriously. Track it. 30, 30, 30. So the question now is, if they take it out, is it another little head fake? Or are they going to be able to maintain, stay underneath it, turn this market into a sell rallies market? We'll talk about that tomorrow morning on the morning webcast. Tomorrow at 12 o'clock, private Facebook group for our first live training. 5 keys to managing any trade. I just did the outline on it. It's going to be good stuff. Join the Facebook group. Join us over there at noon. I think you're going to get a lot of value out of it. It's free. Free to join, free to watch. And I look forward to seeing you guys over there. Take care. Have a great night. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow morning. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.